I born in Muqdisho, and I grew up in Muqdisho. All the cities of Somalia, the only city I know is Muqdisho. It's a city that I love. It's a city that I love their people. I was not seeking to become a mayor of the city, but I was activist and I was a member of Labour Party in Great Britain. So I was thinking, what can I apply? What was the best thing that you can take away from Europe and apply to Africa, Somalia particularly? So I decided to come back and see if I can contribute, if I can help the people.
When Mohammed Noor returned to Mogadishu 6 months ago, he was tasked with rebuilding Somalia's capital city, a city synonymous with violence and war. Yet perhaps his biggest challenge is to alter the mindset of the city's 2 million inhabitants.
20 years, intensive civil war, intensive lawless, intensive chaotic society. So people accepted that life. They accepted to be in a dark, to live in a dark. So since they accepted all this, they thought that this is the life, this is the normal life.
Reversing the psychological impact of living in a constant state of conflict is a difficult and sensitive process, but the mayor believes changing the way people think is the only way forward for the country.
shacabka inaan caqliga ka xoreyno maskaxda ka xoreyno noloshaasi nolol ma ah waa inaan sanduuqa jabinaa sanduuqa inta jabino shacabka u arkaa nolol kale inay jirto si kale u noolaan in nadaafad ugu noolaan karo in maaragtay iftiin ugu noolaan karo in maaragtay cabsiraawa noolaan karo waa inaan.
What they want from us is to live in a fear, and if we live in a fear, then they already defeated us.
haddaan cabsano qof cabsanahayo wax ma qaban karo naftuna hal mar bay dhimataa laba jeer ma dhimato meeshaad ku dhimanaysid iyo saacadaad dhimanaysid waa go'an.
We are Muslims, and Muslims believe that you will die one day. That day, nobody can advance it and nobody can delay it. Okay? So I have the same opportunity to die in London and in Muqdisho. So we have to take the risk, and it's worth to take the risk.